Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm Leo Brooks.
And I'm Maya Carter. We're really happy you're here today.
Yes, because today's topic is very important for daily life.
We're talking about common English sentences used in daily conversations.
These are sentences you hear every day.
These are sentences you can use today.
Not tomorrow.
Not after 10 years.
Today.
Many English learners know grammar,
Many learners know vocabulary.
but they don't know what to say in real life.
They stop.
They think too much.
They feel nervous.
Our goal today is simple.
We want you to speak
Without fear.
without stress.
English is not a test.
English is a tool
You use it to talk to people.
to live your life.
Let's start with the most basic thing.
Greeting people.
Imagine this.
You walk into your office.
You see your coworker.
What do you say?
You don't need a long sentence.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just say, "Good morning."
That's it.
Let's build a small conversation.
Like real life.
Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Maya.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
That's a complete conversation.
Very common.
Very natural.
Now let's practice together.
Say it with us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Great job.
You sound natural already.
Now let's explain the vocabulary.
Very simple meanings.
Good morning is a greeting.
You use it before noon.
How are you asks about feelings.
I'm good means you feel fine.
You can also say, "I'm okay."
Or, I'm doing well.
All are correct.
Now, let's move to another common sentence.
Asking for help.
Many learners are afraid to ask for help.
But asking for help is normal.
Everyone does it.
You start with two magic words.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
This sentence is polite.
It shows respect.
Then you ask your question.
Like this.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
Let's practice together.
Repeat with us.
Excuse me,
Excuse me.
can you help me?
Can you help me?
Perfect.
Very clear.
Now let's add real life.
You are in a store.
You are looking for bread. Excuse me, can you help me find the bread?
Sure, it's in aisle 5.
Easy.
Natural.
Vocabulary time again.
Simple meanings.
Can you help me is a request.
Find means look for.
Aisle is a path in a store.
Now, question and answer practice.
Answer out loud if you can.
What do you say before asking a question?
Excuse me,
How do you ask for help?
can you help me?
Excellent.
You're doing great.
Now, let's do shadowing practice.
Speak calmly and slowly.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Can you help me?
Can you help me? Very good.
Confidence is growing.
Now let's move to daily conversation at the store.
Everyone shops.
You see something you like?
You ask the price.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
These sentences are everywhere.
Very useful.
Practice with us.
Repeat.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Excellent.
Simple English works.
Now let's explain vocabulary again.
Short explanations.
How much asks about price.
Thank you shows appreciation.
You're welcome is a polite reply.
Now let's talk about talking with friends.
Very common daily conversation.
Your friend calls you.
You answer, "Hey,
Hey,
what's up?"
not much. You?
Just relaxing.
Very real English.
Very natural.
Practice time.
Say it with us. What's up?
What's up?
Not much.
Not much.
Just relaxing.
Just relaxing.
Perfect.
You sound friendly.
Vocabulary again.
Easy meanings.
What's up means how are you?
Not much means nothing special.
Just relaxing means resting.
Now question and answer practice.
Ready?
What do you say to a friend?
What's up?
How do you answer?
Not much.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about work conversations.
Very important for daily life.
Your coworker asks,
How's work going?
"It's going well."
Busy but good.
Short answers are okay.
You don't need long stories.
Practice together.
Repeat.
How's work going?
How's work going?
It's going well.
It's going well.
Busy but good.
Busy but good.
Great job.
You're learning real English.
Now let's talk about confidence.
This is very important.
English is not about perfection.
English is about communication.
People want to understand you.
They don't want perfect grammar.
Every sentence you speak helps you.
Every mistake teaches you.
Let's finish this part with shadowing practice.
Speak with confidence.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Amazing work.
You did very well.
In the next part, we will practice more daily sentences.
More real situations.
More confidence.
Keep going.
Welcome back, everyone.
Yes, welcome back. You're doing great so far. If you practice part 1, you're already improving.
Even listening is practice.
But speaking is the real goal.
In this part, we will focus on more daily conversations
Conversations you use outside your home.
with people you don't know very well,
This is where many learners feel nervous.
but we'll keep it easy.
Let's start with talking about your day.
This is very common.
Someone asks you, "How was your day?"
Many learners freeze here.
But the answer can be very simple.
You can say, "It was good,"
Or, "It was okay."
or "busy but good,"
Let's make a small conversation.
like real life.
"Hi, Leo. How was your day?"
It was busy but good. How about yours?
"It was okay. Just a long day."
That's real English.
Nothing difficult.
Practice with us.
Say it slowly.
How was your day?
How was your day?
It was good.
It was good.
Busy but good.
Busy but good. Excellent.
You're doing very well.
Vocabulary time.
Short meanings.
Busy means you had a lot to do.
Long day means you are tired.
How about you means asking the same question back.
Now, question and answer practice.
Answer confidently.
How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
Busy but good.
Perfect.
Now let's move to making plans.
Very important in daily life.
You want to meet a friend.
You don't need big sentences.
You say, "Are you free tomorrow?"
Simple.
Let's build a conversation.
Hey Maya, are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. What's up?
Do you want to grab coffee?
Sure. What time?
Very natural.
Very friendly.
Practice together.
Repeat with us.
Are you free tomorrow?
Are you free tomorrow?
Do you want to grab coffee?
Do you want to grab coffee?
What time?
What time?
Great job.
You can use this today.
Vocabulary again.
Easy meanings. Are you free means do you have time?
Grab coffee means go for coffee.
What time asks for the hour.
Question and answer practice.
Ready?
How do you ask someone to meet?
How do you ask someone to meet?
How do you invite them?
How do you invite them? Excellent. Now let's talk about asking for directions.
Very common and very useful.
You're outside.
You don't know where something is.
You say, "Excuse me."
Always polite.
"Excuse me, where's the bus stop?"
It's over there.
Simple and clear.
Practice with us.
Speak calmly.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
"Excuse me, where is the bus stop?" Good.
Confidence is growing.
Vocabulary time.
Short meanings again.
Where is asks about location.
Bus stop is where buses stop.
Over there means not here, but close.
Question and answer practice.
Answer clearly.
How do you ask for a place?
Where is the bus stop?
Perfect.
Now let's talk about phone conversations.
Many learners feel scared on the phone,
You can't see the person.
but the sentences are still simple.
Phone rings.
You answer.
Hello?
Hi, this is Leo. Is Maya there?
Speaking.
Hi Maya, how are you?
I'm good. What's up?
Very common phone English.
Very useful.
Practice together.
Repeat.
Hello?
Hello?
This is Leo.
This is Leo.
How are you?
How are you? Excellent.
Vocabulary time again.
Simple meanings.
This is means introducing yourself.
Speaking means yes, it's me.
What's up means what do you want to say?
Now let's talk about work conversations again.
Daily office English.
Your boss asks you something.
You answer simply.
Can you finish this today?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
No problem.
Very polite.
Very professional. Practice together.
Repeat slowly. Can you finish this today?
Can you finish this today?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
No problem.
No problem.
Great job.
You sound confident.
Vocabulary again.
Easy explanation.
Finish means complete.
Today means this day.
No problem means it's okay.
Now let's do shadowing practice.
This helps fluency.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Busy but good.
Busy but good.
Are you free tomorrow?
Are you free tomorrow?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Amazing.
You're improving fast.
Now let's talk about confidence again.
Very important.
You don't need perfect English.
You need real English.
English that people understand.
When you speak, don't rush.
Speak slowly.
Breathe.
It's okay to repeat.
It's okay to think.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Every day you speak, fear gets smaller.
Confidence gets bigger.
Before we end this part, remember this.
Simple sentences are powerful.
Daily practice builds fluency.
In the next part, we will bring everything together.
More practice.
More confidence.
More real English.
You're doing amazing.
Keep going.
Welcome to the final part of today's lesson.
Yes, welcome back. You've come a long way already.
If you listen to part 1 and part 2, you should feel more comfortable now.
More relaxed.
More confident.
In this last part, we will bring everything together.
We will practice common English sentences again.
And we will focus on confidence.
Because confidence changes everything.
Many learners think fluency comes first.
But confidence comes first.
When you feel confident, words come easily.
When you feel scared, words disappear.
So today, we want you to feel calm,
English should feel friendly.
not stressful.
Let's start with something very common.
Saying goodbye.
Ending a conversation is just as important as starting one.
And it's very easy.
You can say, "See you later,"
Or take care.
or "Have a nice day."
Let's build a small conversation.
Real lifestyle.
Okay, I have to go now.
No problem. See you later.
Take care.
You too.
Very natural.
Very polite.
Practice with us.
Say it calmly.
See you later.
See you later.
Take care.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Excellent.
These sentences make you sound friendly.
Vocabulary time again.
Easy meanings.
See you later means goodbye for now.
Take care means be safe.
Have a nice day means wishing something good.
Now let's do question and answer practice.
Ready?
What do you say when you leave?
See you later.
How do you wish someone well?
Take care.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about small talk.
Small talk is very important.
This is short, friendly conversation.
With coworkers,
With neighbors.
with people you meet every day.
Let's use the weather.
Everyone talks about the weather.
It's hot today.
Yes, very hot.
I hope it cools down later.
Me too. Very simple.
Very common.
Practice together.
Repeat.
It's hot today.
It's hot today.
Very hot.
Very hot. Great job.
You sound natural.
Vocabulary again.
Short explanation.
Hot means high temperature.
Cool down means become less hot.
Now let's move to apologizing. This is important in daily life.
Everyone makes mistakes.
And apologizing is simple. You can say, "Sorry."
Or I'm sorry.
Let's make a conversation.
Sorry, I'm late.
That's okay.
Very common.
Very polite.
Practice with us.
Repeat slowly.
Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
That's okay.
That's okay. Excellent.
Simple English works.
Vocabulary time.
Easy meaning.
Sorry means you feel bad about something.
That's okay means it's not a problem.
Now question and answer practice. Ready?
What do you say when you are late?
Sorry, I'm late.
What does that's okay mean?
It's not a problem.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about asking for repetition. This is very important for learners.
Sometimes you don't understand, and that's okay.
You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Or, "Can you say that again?"
Let's practice. Can you say that again?
Sure.
Practice with us.
Repeat.
Can you say that again?
Can you say that again? Very good.
Don't be afraid to ask.
Vocabulary again.
Simple meaning.
Repeat means say again.
Again means one more time.
Now let's do shadowing practice. This helps fluency a lot.
See you later.
See you later.
Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
Can you say that again?
Can you say that again? Wonderful work.
You're doing amazing.
Now let's talk about confidence one last time.
This is the heart of everything.
Speaking English is not about sounding perfect.
It's about being understood.
People don't expect perfection.
They expect communication.
When you speak slowly, people listen.
When you speak clearly, people understand.
Don't rush your sentences.
Don't be afraid of silence.
Silence is okay.
Thinking is okay.
Every sentence you say is progress.
Every mistake is a lesson.
Let's imagine your future.
You speak English calmly.
You don't panic.
You don't freeze.
You use simple sentences.
And people understand you.
That future starts today.
With practice.
Let's do one final practice conversation. Real lifestyle.
Hey Maya, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well.
That's great.
I have to go now.
Okay. Take care.
See you later.
Perfect.
That is real English.
Now, final shadowing practice.
Speak with confidence.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Take care.
Take care.
See you later.
See you later.
Amazing work today.
You stayed till the end.
That shows dedication.
Remember this.
English grows with use.
Confidence grows with practice.
Speak a little every day.
Even one sentence is enough.
We believe in you.
You can do this.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for your time.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep speaking English.
Bye for now.
Bye.